My name is Andrea Kiley. I'm an AVID teacher and the AVID coordinator at Ithaca High School. Since 2006, Ithaca High School has participated in AVID, which stands for Advancement via Individual Determination. AVID is a nationwide program designed to help students achieve their potential and prepare for college. AVID targets students in the academic middle who tend to be the least served. In addition, AVID targets students who may lack a college-going tradition in their family, as well as students from backgrounds that are traditionally underrepresented at four-year colleges. Their success is critical to closing the achievement gap. At the heart of AVID is the credit-bearing AVID elective class. The AVID curriculum emphasizes academic success strategies and college planning, as well as reading, writing, inquiry, organization, and collaboration. In this video, IHS AVID educators will share information about who the AVID students are, what we do in the AVID class, and how AVID connects with educators school-wide.
Hello, my name is Alexis Lord. I'm an Ithaca High School English teacher. I'm the coordinator of the WISE program, and I'm an AVID teacher. Currently, I teach AVID 12. I have the students who are graduating this year, and they are concurrently enrolled in a TC3 class called ACAD 150. What you're about to see is some footage of them sharing information about their goals and their hopes for post-high school graduation. They're very eager and ambitious and a wonderful group, and I hope you enjoy this footage.
And I teach the AVID class of 2014. In AVID on Tuesdays and Thursdays we participate in tutorials. What that gives the students an opportunity to do is to bring in questions that they have from their content area classes to clarify and better understand some of the information they're learning in those classes. So they have a form that they fill out. It starts with a basic question that is kind of a definition or a level 1 question. They then work through that question to figure out what they really don't know about that question. The final question then is the question they bring into tutorials. And in the tutorial they work in small groups of 3 to 4 students and then 1 tutor. As a group then they work through the question to go ahead and answer the question so they fully understand it. The last thing that they do then is a reflection to put everything in their own words and bring it all together so that they are fully able to understand the content and the material that they are reviewing.
What are the most influential causes of the Civil War?
So what we do first is we write down our question, and then other students write it down on their Cornell notes.
Okay, well I know one decision that was important was the Dred Scott decision. Wait, does everyone have the question down?
Yes. I know about what is the vertex of the sky?
At the highest point, at the thing, right? Yeah, right. So, one of these one is matched up to the ground. Exactly. Well, it can't be negative.
Why?
Okay. Cool. So it's got to be positive. Alright, that's cool. It's 3 points.
No, you can actually tell this is what she said it's going to be.
How can it magically hit the ground?
See, I think you're right. This is actually literally a picture of something. I don't know what you're doing. Alright. It's literally, this graph is literally a picture of something.
Go ahead.
Hi, my name is Maggie New, and I'm an AVID 10 teacher. I have the class of 2015. I have 21 wonderful individuals that work with me on a daily basis. This is my second year with my class. In our section, you're going to be going over the AVID Binder. You're going to see how our organization helps us be successful. You're going to see kids take it on their own about how they stay organized with their assignments, up to date on their notes, and be able to use their binder along with their assignments, homework, and notes as a resource to be successful and to meet your everyday challenges within your classroom.
Welcome to Ms. New's AVID 10 class of 2015. I'm Laurel and I'm going to introduce you to our binder check. We have binder checks every week and we get graded on our binders based on having a 2.5 inch or 3 inch binder, 2 or more pens, 2 or more pencils, 1 pencil pouch, and 1 highlighter. As for organization, we need a daily planner or calendar, subject dividers in our binder labeled with each subject, and an AVID section with dividers for notes and handouts, and then we get graded on extra credit. For extra credit, you can have a dictionary or thesaurus, calculator, or 6-inch ruler. And the points get totaled up and you get a grade. And that happens every week. And then when you get your binder check back, you write a student reflection and you get graded on that as well.
In my planner, I write down my name, the date, and the actual day of the week. Then I start by naming every class and write what I have to do, and leave an extra section for my extras of what I have to do the next day or sometime this week. So in my zipper pouch, I have 2 pens, 2 pencils, and then a highlighter. But of course, I always have extras just in case, along with some essentials such as whiteout. This is a jump drive that I also keep in my zipper pouch just in case I need to share a project with a teacher.
Right now I'm going to show you the different sections that I have in my AVID binder. To start, we have binder checks in front, which are always in chronological order and both sides filled out. Next, we have a notes section, which once again is in chronological order, and everything is filled out with summaries. After that, we have a tutorial section with a bunch of empty tutorials just in case, so we always have them when we need to fill them out, along with our 3-column notes that we take during tutorials. And then our last section is resources. So just in case we don't know where anything is or we need help with something, we can always find it in the resource section, such as the level 3 questions for tutorials and contact sheets.
Hello, my name is Miss Richardson and I am a teacher of AVID 10 at Ithaca High School. I also teach studio art and studio and crafts courses here at Ithaca High. I'm also a club advisor to the African and Latino Club. This video segment that you are about to observe demonstrates students taking Cornell notes in preparation for a Socratic seminar. We will be discussing selected chapters from the novel The Absolutely True Diary of a Part-Time Indian by Sherman Alexie.
I think it's interesting that Junior's sister left the reservation without telling anyone, and she got married to a gambler, a poker player.
This might sound messed up, but who'd really want to be on the reservation? It seems like a very depressing, kind of sad place. It might be probably a lot of poverty, because he talks about how he's sometimes going hungry and stuff like that in the book.
AVID elective teachers loop with a cohort of students over the course of their high school years. The AVID teachers focus on student development, skill instruction, and preparation for college and life. The AVID teacher sets high expectations for students to take challenging classes and earn grades of C or better. AVID teachers provide encouragement and motivate students to work hard and achieve their goals. In addition, AVID teachers monitor student grades, attendance, and behavior, and serve as a primary point of contact for families and content area teachers.
Ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to learn 4 different strategies for studying vocabulary. So in front of you, you should have your piece of Cornell notes. This is one method that we're going to use. We're going to use this strip of paper to make a matchbook, which is another strategy, and we're going to use these as a sample for flashcards. We're also going to take a look at a website called Quizlet, which is a great study strategy. So all four of those we'll look at using some of the words that you've identified from your classes today.
My achievement was I brought up my English grade, and my goal is to start tutoring people in algebra and other subjects.
My achievement is getting no C's and all B's and up, and my goal is to get all A's.
My achievement is my algebra grade is a 92, and my goal is to get my Spanish grade up to an 85.
My achievement is my Spanish grade is a 91, and my goal is I want to get a 90 or higher in global honors.
Although the AVID elective class targets a particular segment of our school population, AVID can have a positive impact on teaching and learning school-wide through professional development and teaching strategies that are practical, effective, and research-based. AVID strategies align with the Common Core curriculum and emphasize reading and writing to learn, as well as critical thinking and collaborative learning. Members of the AVID site team will share some of these strategies through the AVID Minute in department meetings, as well as trainings on AVID methods during faculty meetings. AVID also produces a book full of strategies for each core content area, which we are happy to share.